I just threaded a needle using this concave mirror. I think I paid like $4 for it 10 years ago or maybe 15 years ago. But you can see the needle threaded in the hole. And it only took me like 3 passes, and I have to do it left-handed, which is really weird because I'm right-handed. And what I did is I had it this way so that it was, I could see it a little easier. And I'm sorry if it's not, doing well there, but as far as focus, but that's how I did it. I got a concave mirror that cost me about $4. You can tell it's been beaten up. It's really messed up, but it really makes a big difference. And I also got a really cheap light, and you could use your camera light if you wanted to, or a flashlight to see better. But I have an overhead light in the room, and then I have a $12 light that I got at Aldi's, which is not sponsoring this. But I just wanted to tell you that if you have a problem with seeing, buying a cheap mirror can help you thread your needle. And I know that there are a lot of needle threaders out there, but even to thread the needle with the needle threader, you have to be able to see the hole a little bit. And so that's why I say, if you want to get a $4 mirror, you might be able to see the hole and thread it easier. And yes, I have a 1959 necky, and I just made some wonderful spools of thread for it, bobbins filled with white thread, and I'm going to be sewing on this Kate Spade pillowcase. I've made pillowcase ponchos, and what I do is I've started doing something around the neck because the neck is too large for me, but I like to have plenty of room in my poncho, so for things that I want to put in my poncho. So I'm doing a pleat, and I'm doing it on both sides so that it fits my shoulders a little easier, and it doesn't reach up to my ears like maybe a mock turtleneck. Although mock turtleneck is what would you say? It's closer around the neck than this is. This is almost like one of those collars that's big and wide. And after I finish and I'm happy and everything, I will pull this and make my pig fly. Because I enjoy life, and I want to, enjoy my supernova necky. And I really did spend a lot of money to get this fixed. I spent $100 mailing it to Pennsylvania, and Carl Sparks fixed it. He changed some things that were broken because one of the people that had my sewing machine dropped it. I didn't drop it. I never dropped it in my life. And I've had it in my family since 1959. And when we moved to Guam. So anyway, yeah, I'm making a poncho powered pillowcase from pillowcases from Kate Spade. And yeah, I did show you the spade. She's the only one who puts the tag on the outside of the pillowcase, and I feel really good about it. I mean, these are little white bears, polar bears, and in the front I have them going down, and in the back I have them going up, so people can guess, why and whatever. But I'm a little more careful now when I make these. I make sure that they're going in the same direction as much as possible. All right. Have a wonderful day.